All right, we just loaded up the car. I just didn't make a video the first day because it was late. So this is the outside of the Candlewood Suites. So we've just been here 2 nights. I did like it a lot. I did like the room, had a full fridge and all that. Obviously it's meant for people who are staying long term, but I definitely would stay here again. I did like it. Okay, we are at Candlewood Suites in Springfield, Missouri. We're here for family weekend from Missouri State. So this time, it's like our 3rd Springfield visit. I keep getting a different hotel every time. So this is owned by Holiday Inn, but I actually got this one because it was a little bit cheaper than the Holiday Inn. So I'm sure since it's a suite, it's meant for more long-term stays. So we're gonna be here 2 nights. So we have a full refrigerator. And I guess if we wanted to cook something, there's our desk, 2 beds. Here's our TV. And look, we got a recliner. So, and then I think this is just, oh, this is the back parking lot. No one's parked on that side, we're parked on the other side. So yeah, this is like if we were gonna, I assume this is for like workers and stuff who are here for a while. It's pretty nice. This does not include breakfast, which I decided was no big deal because we have a race in the morning and I normally don't eat before the race. And then we're going to Silver Dollar City on Sunday, so I will try to save up. Oh look, there's a laundry basket. And it's like a walk-in closet. I mean, literally, I can walk in this closet. Yeah, this is definitely for people who are staying here for a while. And it's so cool. I didn't even check to see if there's ice trays in here. There is an ice machine, but it does not look like it's on. Oh look, there's a picture in there. Why is the ice machine on? I gotta see if I can find ice. Oh, I guess they left us a bag of popcorn if we want it. All right, and then the bathroom. Got my blow dryer, my usual Dove. So yeah, I like this. So I'll get the lobby tomorrow. It's almost 10. It's like a 3.5 hour drive for us. I was carrying all my bags in and just didn't get the lobby, but I'll get it tomorrow during the day. All right, this is the Candlewood cupboard. So since the fridges has ice machines, you're supposed to, well, I'll talk about it in a minute. So anyway, this is their little cupboard. You have to use your room key to get in here. So this is the only ice machine that is not in the rooms. And so you've got like freezer, you got all kinds of drinks. And so it's the honor system. So you fill out a charge slip and drop it in the slot, and they'll charge your room. So that's pretty cool. All kinds of candy, oatmeal, cereal, Pringles, all kinds of snacks. And they got Dr. Pepper. Who's on that? Oh, it's Star Wars. Okay, Star Wars Coca-Cola. I was like, who's on that? And a coffee machine. And then some odds and ends. This is pretty cool. There's the door we came in, so it's long. So I got a meeting room, business center. I'm just taking the under room for employees only. I'm just gonna take the stairs because we're just down here. So anyway, I came down to ask for an ice machine, and they said there's just one in that cupboard because since every room has a fridge, you get ice from the fridge. And I'm like, well, mine's not on. And she's like, yes, they shut them off and clean out the old ice because people don't like old ice, apparently. I don't know. It's like people have complained they don't know how old the ice is in the freezer, so they have to clean it out each time. So I'm gonna go back in and turn it on, and maybe by morning I'll have my own ice. Otherwise, I just have to come down here and get it. But I've never been in a, I mean, lots of Holiday Inns have the little gift shop, but that's the first one that I saw. That, like, you fill out your own slip, and it's like the honor system. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm back to 205. So let's see if we can figure out how to turn on the ice machine. Okay. Oh yeah, so it says right here, want a frosty beverage later? Turn the ice machine to the on position to begin making ice. Okay. So, okay, the light is on. So hopefully I'll have ice.